Yo, what is happening, everybody? It is Garrett Fankhauser back with you guys. It's been rough for me to do training for you guys lately, so hopefully this will make up for me not putting out as much content as I want to. Today, what we're going to be covering is we're going to be talking about the sustainability of SEO and how to scale your SEO to grow your business predictably. Okay, so we're just going to dig right in because I only have a limited amount of time today. We're going to start with this little guy right here. So this little guy right here is you. This is your business, right? This is you in your location, whether it's downtown, whether it's a shop on your property, whether it's your kitchen dining room table. This is you, right? So one thing I want you guys to understand is that when you get started with SEO, let me take the color out of this so we can start using this. We're going to do some concentric circles here. When you guys get started with SEO, many people have a common misconception that you just rank everywhere for everything. It's not how it works. And so I'm here to kind of break that myth and explain it hopefully a little bit better to where you guys can get a better understanding of it. Okay? So how this works is, this is you, right? So let's say that this first concentric circle here is going to be your town, right? Your city, your surrounding area, right? And then so we're going to do a couple more of these, right? We're going to make these a little bit bigger. Let's say this is your county, right? And keep in mind, these are not going to be to scale, right? So it's you, your town, your county, right? And then we're going to keep going up from there a couple more layers. So let's go the surrounding counties, right? Let's go bigger than that. Paste. Okay. Let's go bigger than that. And now we have your state. Right? And so this can keep on going, right? Ideally, where we're going to end up, oh man, I need a bigger circle. Ideally, where we're going to end up is national, right? Since you guys sell firearms, most of you guys are not selling firearms to like Cuba, Puerto Rico, and then the rest of the world, right? But the goal with what I'm going over with you guys right here is, if I can click this properly, it's not going to let me zoom out. Let me try this. It's not going to let me zoom out. I can't get to my button. Hang on. All right. Technical difficulties. Okay, so the idea behind this is to really give you guys an idea how scaling happens predictably with SEO. So here you are, right? Let's say that this first circle right here is going to be, let me see if I can do this without... I want the other one to be on top. I don't know how to make that work. Let's say that the first one here is going to be your, this is your area of reach, right? So like, let's say that the first one is you. This is your area of reach, right? So this is your word of mouth. This is your friends. This is you handing out business cards. This is meeting at the local softball teams or whatever it is that you guys do. I've heard so many different cool ways that you guys are marketing your business, so kudos for that. But like, this is your area of influence, right? This is your sphere of influence. So I'm gonna actually just color this one in, right? So now this is really as big as you can get without having a specific online marketing system that's going to allow you to push and expand outwards of where you're at. Okay, so moving out from there, right? So this is like, let's say that this was your surrounding towns, right? The next one was counties. In order to really start expanding outwards of here, the best way to do this is to have a website that is optimized for SEO based around your county, right? The idea is that you get local traffic from next door, you get traffic from the other side of town, you get traffic from the next town over, and this can be traffic to your website, this can be traffic to your store. If they're close enough, they might come to your store. So the whole goal is not just to only send people to your online systems, but it's to get people into your store if you guys have a brick and mortar type situation where you want people to show up. generally that's preferred, right? If they buy a gun, you can sell them an optic, you can sell them a cleaning kit, you can sell them earplugs, you can sell them shooting glasses, you can sell them a case, you can sell them a sling, you can sell them a flashlight, you can sell them clothing, right? All this other stuff, right? So obviously having them in your store is the best if you can, but either way, let's move on. But the goal here is to then optimize your website for that area that you're looking to expand into. This is predictable because it grows with your business. Like, you're not going to be able to sell that much by like only being only conquering like maybe your surrounding cities, right? Or maybe even your county. So it allows you to keep up with the demand. It allows you to really like maintain this growth without putting yourself in too deep, right? Once you start hitting that point of 30 40K a month, maybe 50K a month in your county, or maybe a little bit less, it depends on your county, then the next focus would be to expand outwards from there, right? Surrounding counties or state, right? Depends on how you want to really do it. But the goal there would then be to expand a little bit further out from that, right? So this is where you have some type of like monthly SEO system that's optimizing your website and your content and your reach and everything based on what your actual goals and needs are, right? So then you're expanding outwards, reaching a larger audience, bringing in more traffic, more sales from a further area. But you always want to start somewhere where you have the warmest traffic. And we've covered the temperatures of traffic before. What that means is that maybe people have seen your business card. Maybe people have seen your wrapped truck. Maybe people have driven by your business. Maybe their friends have shopped with you, right? So you want to start small and then expand outwards from there. You guys can kind of get the point of where I'm going with this, right? You continue to expand outwards to where you eventually reach a statewide level, a surrounding state level, and then a national level. That way you guys are then hitting a point where you're as big as like Bud's Gun Shop or Palmetto or whatever. This is the exact system that they have used to get where they are now. Okay? They're doing a couple of other things, right? So they're doing a lot of like maybe banner ads and forums and things like that. There's a bunch of different things that you can do, but this is the number one system that is going to predictably help you grow and scale your firearms business. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. And again, this system is something that I really recommend that you guys like put focus on, because it's a predictable system and we know that it works because it's proven systems that other people have already used and done to get where they were trying to go. And you can literally just follow in their footsteps if you have the right help to help you get there. Cool. So again, I'm short on time today. I hope this is important for you guys. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions or anything, please leave comments below. Let me know. If there's any other content that you would like to see, you can also leave that in the comments below. If you guys haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, hop on over to YouTube. Marketing Hacks for FFL Dealers and Gunsmiths, the same name. If you're watching this on YouTube and you are not part of the Facebook group is fire. You guys need to be in the Facebook group. That is where this stuff goes first. Then it goes to YouTube. So make sure to click the link in the description so that you can go on over and join us in the Facebook group. Thank you guys. I will catch up with you soon. Bye.